get API credentials. Go to developer.intuit.com/developer/dashboard. This link and how to set up the API credentials is available in RMH QuickBooks Installation Manual that you can download from our portal. Click on Create an App on the right-hand side top. Give this app a unique name. You cannot use QB as the part of the name. Under Select a Scope, check the first option that says com.intuit.quickbooks.accounting and click on Create App button at the bottom, and it will create an app for you. After the app is created, you will be directed to a new page. Click on Keys and Credentials. Copy and save the client ID and client secret from this page. This information will be required at a later stage. Scroll down to Redirects URL section to copy and save the URL under Link. Open a new tab on your browser and paste the above URL, which will take you to Authorization page. Under Select App, you will see a sandbox and a production version of the app you created earlier. Select the sandbox option if you are testing and production if you are setting up a live environment. Under OAuth keys, you can see the client ID and the client secret that you saved before. Under OAuth settings, Scope, check on the com.intuit.quickbooks.accounting and click on Get Authorization Code. This will take you to another screen. Click on Connect. Clicking on Connect will take you to the previous screen, and you will see that the Realm ID has now been populated. Go to API Settings section in RMH QuickBooks. Now you have all the information required on this page. Enter the information and then click on Generate Token. This will populate all the data. Once filled, the screen will look like this. Click on Test API. If API is connecting, you have successfully created a connection with QuickBooks.